Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to increase storage in iCloud. Let's start. So I'm going to show you how it's done through your iPhone. It's actually pretty easy if you need to increase storage for your iCloud. So for those who are still new or for those who are not aware when it comes to like iCloud, iCloud actually includes a free email account and 5 gigabytes of free storage for your data, guys. And then just you just need to maximize using that 5 gigabyte without having to pay extra. And the good thing about iCloud, this service from Apple is that they securely store your photos, files, notes, even passwords and other data in the cloud and keeps it up to date across all your devices automatically. So when you say automatically, yes, but there's a way for you to, sync or not to sync just to make sure if you want to do things manually. We do have other video tutorials for you to check on that. Just subscribe to our channel so you'll be able to learn more what iCloud can do. So going back, how to increase your storage, just tap on settings. From there, if you're already there, just tap on your name, just tap onto iCloud, and then from here, you would be able to see manage account storage. Okay, so just click on that. If you've noticed, I've pretty much used up almost my 5 gigabytes, so you could already see a message there that says your storage is almost full. Yeah, I know. So if you need to upgrade to iCloud Plus, so this is one way for you to increase your storage. So once you tap on that, it would lead you here. Okay. So from here, you just need to choose if you want 50 gigabyte, you would be paying this one. So the amount, guys, is more or less like less than a dollar, less than US dollar. I mean, if you want to choose 200 gigabyte, if you want to choose 2 terabyte, yes, they do have that option. So say, for example, you're able to decide on what you need to have, then, just upgrade to iCloud Plus, and then from there you would be asked, for your payment information and what have you. So here you notice that, if I need to go ahead, then just click on OK. So there. I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.